Kate, and welcome back to another fun STEAM lesson with Storybook Engineering. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking about pulleys. So let's get started. First, let's start off by talking about what is a pulley system. So a pulley system is a wheel and rope with a load attached to one end of the rope. And pulleys help you by moving loads up and down or to and from hard to reach places. Now a pulley works just like a lever where it has a load and an effort. And the load being the weight that is being pulled up and down or side to side on the pulley, and the effort being the pulling force that is being done on the other end of the rope. Now by using a pulley and having the weight evenly distributed, it makes it easier to apply the effort in creating a lifting machine. Now some examples of pulleys are like elevators, cargo lifts, wells, or even exercise equipment. So the storybook that goes along with this lesson is the story of the Little Red Hen. So go ahead and make sure to pause this video and enjoy reading or listening to the story of the Little Red Hen. The Little Red Hen sure put in a lot of work so she could have her delicious bread, but her hard work definitely paid off in the end, even when she didn't have the help from the others. Maybe we can help her out by using our knowledge of simple machines. We can use our knowledge of the pulley system to help make her one to help transport her ingredients to and from the farm. And that's exactly what we're going to do in today's lesson. We're going to make our very own pulley system. So the first step in making your own pulley system is you have to gather your materials. And in this activity, the materials you're going to need is you're going to need some string or some yarn. You're also going to need an empty spool. So this is like an empty ribbon spool, but you can also use like an empty thread spool or any type of spool you have laying around your house. You're also going to need a plastic cup, some tape, a wooden skewer, and some scissors. Next, after you have your supplies, what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and have an adult help you poke some holes into the side of your cup. You want 2 holes on either side of your plastic cup. And once you have your holes in your cup, what you're going to do is you're going to take your string or your yarn and you're going to take some off of the spool and you're going to lace it through your cup. So once you have your string laced through your cup, what you're going to do is you're going to take your end of your string and you're going to tie it nice and taut in the center of the cup. So this is what it should look like when you're done. It should be nice and taut in the middle so that when you lift up your cup, it doesn't flop over. Once you have your cup all figured out, what you want to do is you want to unravel some of your string or your yarn and cut it so it has a decent length. And that is what we're going to use for our pulley. So then for the wheel part of our pulley, what we're going to do is we're going to take our skewer and you're going to stick it through the middle of your spoolie. From there, what I want you to do is take 2 pieces of tape and kind of poke a hole in your center of the piece of tape and meet it at your spoolie. This is going to help keep it nice and secure around that skewer. But it should still be able to move. Then when you're ready, what you want to do is take the end of your string and have it facing you and place it over the top of your spoolie so that when you pull the spoolie, it rotates the wheel, causing the cup to rise. And there you have it. You have your own pulley system. To test it out even more, what you can do is you can have a friend or family member hold the end of your skewers while you lift objects up in your pulley, or if you have a staircase at home that you can set it off the edge of so that it like rests and then you have a wall underneath it that you could practice lifting up your pulley that way. If not, you can also just hold it like this. That's totally fine. But what I want you to do now is find little objects like either rocks or marbles. For mine, I'm going to be using marshmallows and just keep adding in marshmallows into your pulley system and then feeling the difference of the weight when you add them in. So maybe see how many marshmallows you can lift up in your pulley, and then see if there's like different objects too that you find heavier, and just really explore how the pulley works. Awesome job with today's project. And remember, your pulley works because that spoolie helps distribute and transfer the weight of the objects in your cup when you pull on the string. You can also test out by adding another spoolie to make a compound pulley, which has 2 grooves or 2 spoolies, and it helps even lift heavier objects. So maybe test that out and see if you can create a pulley that can lift even heavier objects. So have fun with this activity, be creative, and thanks for watching, and I will see you again next lesson for some more fun with simple machines. Thanks, bye!